Hey guys, Nikki here. I did a shoot over the weekend and I wanted to show you. So I shot with my Sigma 105, my new favorite lens, and my A7RIII Sony. And this is a styled set. I'm using Westcott Solix continuous lighting, and here's an example of a shot. Usually when I design a set like this, my images are more painterly, they're more edited, they're more creative, they're not so photographic like this. And it's pretty much my clients ask for this look. This is what my signature look is, although I do a lot of straight photography as well. I love playing with low-key images, and I'll just show you over here. This is my studio, this is the other end. This is my makeup counter where we do hair and makeup, and this is where I do my basic clean photography with this backdrop I painted myself, and here's an image that we took of Serena just with the plain backdrop. Very little editing and just clean. This is the outfit that I created, just a really cheap Chinese lace dress with an underdress, and then I created the headpiece with tulle. This is Serena. We're gonna go out now. It's kind of cold, so I'm really happy that she's been brave enough to venture out into the cold with me. This is our first location, and it was pretty cool, but the light was beautiful because it was totally overcast. And this is, again, just a super clean, natural look, and I'll show you what the images look like straight out of the camera, which are really pretty, but then just basic clean edits right here, adjusting contrast and vibrance. This was our second location, and this one I wanted to show you the difference of what these images look like with strobe and with natural light, and you can choose which you like better. So these ones here are pretty much without any edits. These are with Adobe Camera Raw, and these are the finals, so you decide. I hope you like this video. If you want to see more, subscribe. I don't do this an awful lot, but you can also find me at chasinglightactions.com, or down in the details you can also see how to join my Facebook group and my community of artistic portraiture. Thanks guys, bye.